In this video, you will be learning how to play this song, Over the River and Through the Woods, on the acoustic guitar. And these are the chords that you need to know how to play before learning how to play this song. So you'll need to know how to play the chords G major. You'll also need to know how to play C major. And finally, you'll need to know how to play D major. So now, let's learn how to play these chords within the context of Over the River and Through the Woods. So I'm going to teach you the chord progression, which means the way the chords are played throughout the song. So we're going to start off with the G major chord. Then we go to C, G. Back to C, G, D, and G. So that is the basic progression of the chords. So now let's add some strumming patterns to that. So we're going to start off with G, C, G, C, G, D, G. G, C, G, D, G. So that was the song, Over the River and Through the Woods. And when you play it along with singing it, you can either play the more complicated strumming pattern or you can play the more simple strumming pattern if that is better for you. So now that you've learned the chord progression, you can go back and play along with that chord progression as many times as you need to practice, and then you can go play with the video where we sing Over the River and Through the Woods.